We need to quickly dip in and shift our focus to West Bengal. Viewers on your television screens, you can see how Mamata Banerjee has now arrived at the protest site. Remember, she will be sitting on a dharna till 8 p.m. is the time that has been given by the Election Commission when she will not be allowed to campaign. So from 8 p.m. yesterday to 8 p.m. today is the time that she cannot campaign as established by the Election Commission. And now on your television screens, you can see how she's begun her protest. She's been lashing out at the Election Commission over its decision to bar her from campaigning for 24 hours, will be sitting on a dharna all through the day. The protest has begun.
72 घंटे पहले ही उसके प्रचार पर बिंदु लग गया है। 72 घंटे पहले से ही प्रचार का समय खत्म हो जाएगा, लिहाजा ममता बनर्जी के पास प्रचार प्रसार का ज्यादा समय बचा नहीं है। ममता बनर्जी सिर्फ एक दिन अब और प्रचार कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि आज रात 8 बजे तक ममता बनर्जी के ऊपर बैन लगा है। आज रात 8 बजे तक ममता बनर्जी प्रचार नहीं कर सकती। सिर्फ 14 तारीख का वक्त बचा है ममता बनर्जी के पास, और उसके बाद से ममता बनर्जी प्रचार नहीं कर पाएंगे, क्योंकि 14 तारीख की शाम 6 बजे से
के लिए बनी है। और यही वजह है कि आज एक बार फिर इलेक्शन कमीशन के खिलाफ वो धरना देने के लिए पहुंच चुकी हैं। तस्वीरें लगातार बयां कर रही है कि उनके जो समर्थक हैं, जो उनके कार्यकर्ता हैं या जो मुरीद हैं टीएमसी के, वो सभी पहुंचे हुए हैं। और ये गांधी मूर्ति की तस्वीर मैं दिखा रही हूँ। अब चूंकि ममता बनर्जी पहुंच चुकी है धरना स्थल पे, तो इसी गांधी मूर्ति के पास वो पहुंचेंगी, वो पुष्प अर्पित करेंगी और यहाँ से वो संदेश देने की कोशिश अपने कार्यकर्ताओं में कि भले ही मेरे ऊपर एक्शन हुआ हो, भले ही मेरे ऊपर कार्रवाई हुई हो, लेकिन मैं हर हाल में जवाब दूंगी। ये ममता बनर्जी का प्रण है। और इस तरीके से ममता राजनीति में आगे बढ़ती रही है। 70 के दशक से जब वो राजनीति में सक्रिय हुई, 84 में जब वो सांसद बनी, तब भी वो इतनी ही जुझारू, इसी तरीके से एग्रेशन के साथ वो राजनीति में आगे बढ़ी है। यही उनका स्टाइल रहा है, यही उनका सिग्नेचर स्टाइल रहा है, और वही आज भी हमें देखने को मिल रहा है। ममता बनर्जी पहुंच चुकी है धरना स्थल पे, समय से पहले पहुंची है। आप सोचिए 12 बजे समय था, लेकिन वक्त से पहले पहुंची है। और यहाँ से इलेक्शन कमीशन को लेकर, देश के सरकार को लेकर क्या कहती हैं?
ममता बनर्जी धरना स्थल पर अकेली बैठी हुई है, अकेली बैठी हुई है। इस बीच मेरे साथ बीजेपी की नेता माधवी अग्रवाल जुड़ चुकी है। मैं सीधा रुख करूंगी बीजेपी नेता माधवी अग्रवाल का। माधवी जी, 12 बजे से ममता बनर्जी को धरने पर बैठना था, 8 घंटे पहले ही धरना स्थल पर पहुंच गई है। इलेक्शन कमीशन के खिलाफ विरोध दर्ज करवाने के लिए ममता बनर्जी एकमात्र अकेली धरना स्थल पर व्हील चेयर पर बैठी। आपकी प्रतिक्रिया?
So Mamata Banerjee, they're sitting on a wheelchair, just like how she's been campaigning all this while after the Nandigram incident, after the Election Commission barred her from campaigning for 24 hours. Remember, this is as a penalty for her remarks against the Central Security Forces and for appealing to voters in the name of religion. The Election Commission certainly coming down heavily on Mamata Banerjee, but she's decided to protest. She, in fact, declared the same yesterday itself after EC's decision. She said that she will be protesting against the undemocratic and unconstitutional decision of the Election Commission of India. Those were her words, and declared that she will be sitting on dharna till the ban comes to an end at Gandhi Murti in Kolkata itself. Those are the visuals we're picking up on the same Mamata Banerjee on her wheelchair, sitting on her dharna. Her protest has begun. Since yesterday, we've been trying to take in a word from several TMC leaders, viewers, and all of them have been calling it a black day for democracy. So we have several of those reactions that we've been picking up, and we have a statement from the Eastern Command as well, which says, to keep everyone informed, we have received the application from TMC for NOC for Gandhi statue. It was received at 9:40 a.m. today. It is under process. We've not yet issued NOC for that. So that's The breaking piece of news that we're picking up as far as this protest is concerned, the Eastern Command there giving a statement that they've not yet issued NOC for the same. But Mamata Banerjee has arrived at the protest site. She's begun with her dharna. She's going to be protesting against Election Commission's 24-hour ban. So the war of words certainly escalating. Remember, it has been Mamata Banerjee versus the Election Commission to an extent as well. Apart from the war of words we've seen between the TMC and the BJP, she has been at loggerheads with the Election Commission as well, time and again, while hitting out at the BJP, also saying that the Election Commission is working at the behest of the BJP. Not just that, that it is taking instructions from Union Home Minister Amit Shah and so on and so forth. So those kind of allegations that she's been leveling since a long time now. The Election Commission coming down heavily on Mamata Banerjee. It has imposed a 24-hour ban, and now Mamata Banerjee sitting on a protest against the same. Piyush, my colleague, is joining us with more details on the same. Piyush, Mamata Banerjee there sitting on a dharna already. What about the permission? We're picking up some news on that as well.
Well, yes, right now as we are speaking, we can clearly see Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, who is there at the Gandhi statue. She was supposed to reach there by 12 p.m. as she had tweeted also yesterday, where she had mentioned that she will be reaching there at Gandhi statue at 12 p.m. And they will be protesting against the Election Commission's ban on her for 24 hours. Remember that yesterday itself, Election Commission had issued a notice where, stern warning was also given to Mamata Banerjee, and it was told that there will be a complete ban on Mamata Banerjee from campaigning. Any form of campaigning was banned by Mamata Banerjee for the state elections of West Bengal. So looking at that itself, Mamata Banerjee decided yesterday itself that she would be going on protest. Right now as we are speaking, she is there sitting on the protest here at Gandhi statue along with scores of Trinamool Congress workers. Remember that yesterday Trinamool Congress cited that particular order as the black day in democracy, and they said that they were anyway winning the Bengal, but this certainly yesterday's notice, they said that it was certainly a black day in democracy. We had also seen as to how BJP had lashed out at Mamata Banerjee for making communal overtones, because we have seen how the statement which Mamata Banerjee had issued, it was a communal statement, and the Election Commission had issued notice to her also, but after not getting any satisfactory reply from her, Election Commission decided to ban her from doing any kind of political campaigning for the fifth phase of West Bengal. Remember that she was also to go to Cooch Vihar also to meet the victims family, in fact, who had died in CISF firing also. But that program has also been cancelled because the Election Commission has put a complete one-day ban on her. We'll have to wait and watch as to how the day pans out. But right now, as you're speaking, we can clearly see Mamata Banerjee right now. They are sitting at the Gandhi statue. They are in Kolkata. The Trinamool Congress has cited that it was a black day after the kind of notice which was issued by Election Commission. Every time we have seen, whenever such things happen, Trinamool Congress comes out and they attack either paramilitary forces or Election Commission. We have also seen as to how Mamata Banerjee was issuing statements asking people to gherao CISF personnel whenever they are stopped, whenever they see them. Now we will be getting more and more details after this very short break on this developing story. Stay tuned.